Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today is Will It Shave Wednesday. And do I have a treat for you? I'm gonna wet the face. I woke up this morning thinking it was Thursday. I don't know why. Today's shave, we're going to be using Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Coconut Bay. If you guys have smelled this before, you know what this smells like. And if you don't, here's what the soap looks like. I'm smelling Bay Rum and lime, not really any coconut. I'm not really a big coconut fan, but I thought I would try it. And if you look here real close, it does say with lime. I'll put a scent profile right here. And today's razor that we're going to be using is the Blackland Sabre. And this is a single edge razor. And I do have the number 2 plate, or the 2-dot plate. So this razor, I think I have used this in the past, uses these special gem blades. You see it on there, gem. Or does it really? Don't try this at home. They look like these little scraper blades. I'm going to try this, because I've heard, don't do it. It won't work. And so I was just kind of curious as to what's so different about these blades. I mean, if it's stainless steel, does that stainless steel blade know that it's for the face or not for the face? Or if it's carbon steel, does it really know? Is it for the face? Or is there some magical grind? Here's the gem blade, and here is the no name. I don't know, it says SE8, I think. SFB. Walmart. Hyper Tough. Okay, let's go ahead and get the pre-shave going. I'm going to go ahead and use the PAA Cube. This is the one that has the menthol in it. The name escapes my mind right now. Evil Cube. That's what it is. Evil. Got a couple days worth of growth here. I already have the lather whipped up in the black frog house bowl. And I used 1/4 teaspoon and 10 milliliters of water. I'm using the Simpson T2 brush. It's a 26 millimeter synthetic knot. And I do have this soap a little on the thin side. Still not picking up the coconut. Okay, so to load this blade, we're going to go ahead and take the handle off. Make sure my handle doesn't roll into the sink. It's wanting to. And so the tabs are on the top cap. We're going to use this SFB plate. And this has a little notch cut out in the back for that extra thickness. Just before I do that, I want to stick these up side by side and see if there's a difference in height. Maybe just a teensy. That's the professional measurement anyway. Okay. I got that loaded. And let's put the bottom plate on. And the handle. Comment below and let me know right now, what do you think the outcome is going to be? Because I don't know. I've never done this. I'm doing this for you guys. Go ahead and warm the razor up. It's ready to go. And let's take it. What is going on here? No cutty. You can feel it kind of tugging. Man, there is some hair on there. But you can tell. Can you see it? No. All right. Well, there we go. We know. You can't use those. I really thought it was going to work. I thought, why not? Why couldn't it work? Well, we know there's probably a little bit different spec on it. Because we've all taken these razor blades and cut stuff open and used them. So let's go ahead and put the gem back in, or put it in. You gotta have that base plate. I'm a little shocked that it didn't work. Who commented and thought it wasn't going to work? I will look and see. All right. So that blade's in there. And just by the looks of it, it doesn't look like it's really sticking out any farther. Let me add just a little bit of... I better add a little more than that. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, you can hear the difference. Very smooth. You can even see the hair coming there. All right. Wow. Who'd have thunk it? Well, now we know. I know. I'm really still kind of shocked that that didn't work. And I'm not going to try it again. Well, it's Wednesday. And the work week is half over. And I don't know why, when I got up this morning, I thought, I truly did, that it was already Thursday. But I knew I was going to be making a video, so it had to be Wednesday, right? It's amazing how your mind does different things. Let's see how we did here. Oh yeah. There's always nice residual slickness left over by the PAA soaps. And this is the CK1, not the CK6. Go ahead and lather up so we can knock out past 2. And all the excitement, I probably need to put a little bit more of the Evil Cube on because I'm not feeling any of the menthol. I can tell this razor, I like the way that it's so smooth. And I really need to find another supplier for blades. Did you notice notice what I did there. Yeah, I've been getting them off of Amazon, and they don't really have them that much. And when they do have them, they're not on the Prime. And so they either want to charge shipping, or they're a little bit more delayed. That Prime really spoils you, or it spoils me. Something about that 2-day or 1-day shipping, you just feel the need to press buy. I hit my razor in the bottom sink. In the off camera here, I've got a bowl full of cold water for a cold water rinse. And I've got the ice cube for my post-shave routine. And my belly says it is ready for breakfast. I'm going to use the Lancaster black sheep towel. And I do have the matching splash. This is the one with the restrictor. It's always, when you get a new bottle, it takes a little bit for it to get where it comes out easier. Still smells like quite a bit of lime, but I can pick up a little bit more of the coconut in that. These new lids, seems like that little seal always wants to come off. We're going to top that off with a little bit of star jelly. Nice and smooth. A little bit there on my trouble areas, but I'm not going to chase that. That's going to wrap up my shave for today. And will it shave Wednesday? Scraper blades will not work in your single edge razors. So now we know. There you go. Why is that so fun to say? Anyway, I appreciate all you guys watching the videos. If you thought this was a excellent video, or if it needs improvement, comment below and let me know. I'm always trying to improve my videos, and I will see you on Sunday's shave. You guys have a good rest of the week.